May buntag sa tanang. Shishi. Shishi. They bless our clean motorcycle. And right now it's very straight road, so rat boom boom. Caution, road slip. Of course, road slip talaga. Pag nag-slide ka dyan, matutulog ka talaga. What's up guys? Good morning! Kakatapos lang yung magkasolina. So may kasama na tayo talaga ngayon guys. Mafe-feel nyo na may back ride ako. Yan o. Salita ka love. Yan, hi guys.
Hi.
Let's go.
Hi guys.
Pumunta namin yung Liloy, check namin yung daan tsaka yung lugar guys, kasi pupunta kami doon na magsasakyan kami. So motor muna, enjoy muna kami doon. And nakapag motor din kami guys, no? Nakapag motor din, lagi na lang sasakyan. Are you comfortable there?
Yes.
Oh, ano yung traffic light dito? Papuntang Liloy na kami. Banking si Lolo. Ay, banking si tatay. Banking din tayo. Pero painitin muna natin yung gulong. Malamig pa yung gulong guys. Oh, bilis si tatay oh. 100 si tatay oh. Ah, grabe si tatay. Grabe si tatay, 120 takbo. Ito yung gusto ko sa Winner X, may ABS na. Sa presyong 131k, may ABS ka na, manual na napakagwapong motor. Ay guys, no? Nakapag change oil na pala tayo. Tapos 1.5 mata sa February todo, change oil, Sam's oil. Ang masasabi ko lang talaga is napaka solid. Pagka change oil, ano, kulay pula tapos transparent na red. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, mag Am's oil na kayo. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga long ride and ganitong mga speed. Actually maglulup kami, dito kami dadaan tapos pauwi namin sa kabilang ano, papunta kami sa Aurora. Aurora yung love no, na road.
Yes.
So we're going to Liloy.
Uphill.
Yeah, this is uphill. It is very uphill. You see the view, it's very beautiful here with all the sunlight, you see that? And with all the banking right here and all the banking like that. Oh, boom. Pero the road is so wet, so it slow down for a bit. If the road is wet, then you slow down. This is very dangerous, you know. We have a stock tire with a cold tire, not yet a warm up, you know. And here another wet road. Oh, we have a friend here. There I go. Oh, also very wet here. I like to banking here. This is my favorite spot because you can bank all the way. Just be careful so you don't back all the way the straight road, you know, because this is a cornering road. Be careful, but it's wet, so we cannot corner, because if you corner here, you're going to slide.
Corner here, corner there.
Yeah, you're going to slide, you know. They bless our clean motorcycle. Be careful on the solid strip lines because it's very slide, you know. It's very, what do you call that?
Slide.
No, it's not slide.
Oh.
When you... Basta, it's slide. So as you can see, it's very nice here in the Philippines. You come visit here na in Mindanao, Paganan City, going to Liloy. And the Liloy is known for its very beautiful sea view. And stone with a jump and then go to the sea. We cannot banking here. We have a wet tire. No, why it's wet tire? A wet tire. Why it's wet road? I want to banking, you know. Maybe it's raining in the mountain and then the water's going here, going down here in the road, because there's a mountain behind us, big mountain. I think that's why. Oh, shout out to the rider. We have a very cold tire, so we cannot really banking here. We're going to slide if we go, because we only have stock tire. But sooner we're going to buy a very good tire, Pirelli tires. You know, my back ride is KJ.
But it's your name, KJ.
I'm Englishing, and then she's asking why I'm English. You know, it's a motovlog. I can do whatever I want. Even I can speak Bisaya, you know. May buntag sa tanan.
Islam.
May buntag sa tanan. Na naami diri muagi sa basang dalan gamit ang ako motor na astang sinawa. Mao jud na siya ang normal. Wee! Mao na siya ang normal ani mag long ride.
Mo na imong intro lang.
Oh. Mao ni ron basa usus. You know this road is I really like to bank here but the road is very wet, you know. So, ang ato ang vlog diri in English, Bisaya, Tagalog. So tanaw na mo para balingaw mo. Karon magsaba-saba ta kay makadungog naman niya tong background sa tuwa na itig react. So diri ta murag buang nagastorya sa helmet. So careful mo sa mga daan dito guys. So diba we're turning to Tagalog. Okay, I don't like this road. I don't like this road because it's very not good.
Maybe not good.
Because sometimes the government here destroy the very good road and then repair it. While this one is very bad condition, but they do not repair it. And right now it's very straight road, so rat boom boom.
Start.
Why is he like that? It's a fifth gear. Oh no, another wet road. Ay nako, so pangit na.
So pangit na.
Delikado kasi guys, naka-stock tire tayo tapos basa yung daan.
Bridge.
I know there was a bridge and I'm going there. Wow! Mama, Honey Bunch, bakit gusto mo magmotor?
Because adrenaline rush.
Diba? Because adrenaline rush. Hindi mo gusto yung mabagal, no?
Yes.
Dapat sagad talaga. Bakit gusto mo ng sagad-sagad, love? Sa lahat ng bagay. Wow, very nice mountain here.
Ang Timulan.
Yeah, that's Mount Timulan, guys. Okay, slow down a bit. Baka may truck. Okay, it's clear.
Sinay bus.
Baka may mag-U-turn dito. Ganyan lang tayo ka-defensive driver. Kasi may naghihintay sa atin pa uwi. Ganun lang talaga. Pag malinis, wow, ang ganda. Pag malinis yung daan, go lang, rat-rat ka dyan. Wala, may libaong din, no?
Asphalt. Asphalt all the way. Likod mo ba? Katuli ba ulit? Binky.
Pabagal na banking lang tayo kasi malamig. Hindi pa talaga mainit yung gulong eh. Sigurista kasi ako guys eh. Kasi isang beses na mangyayari yung slide na yan. May back right tayong maganda. Sawa natin. My wife is maganda na Chinese beauty. In chick yung ano ko guys, asawa. Hindi to Bisaya. Bisaya lang yan, Manuriya, pero hindi yan Bisaya.
Sisi.
Shishi. Shishi. That's your name, Shishi. Sige lang, pag nag-upgrade tayo ng tires, todo banking na tayo. Gano'n no, pinagano na talaga. May mga tubig-tubig. May nakita kasi akong vlogger guys eh, na nakadaan na siya kahit ano lang yon, kaunting basa lang sa daan, isang linya ng basa lang. Tapos bumangking siya. Pag banking niya, ayun na,
Diretso na siya.
tumawa na lang siya. Stock tire yun. Kaya sabi niya, pag stock tire talaga, pag may kaunting basa lang, slide ka talaga. Ayun no, basa-basa ang dalan. Grabe, puro pakyat dito ah. Eh, basa na, dadaan na naman.
Land of unlimited water.
Yes. Sarap rumatrat pag bagong change oil yung motor. Pero guys, bago ako nagpa-change oil ng 1,500 Odo, nag long ride muna kami nun. Umikot kami sa Pangil Bridge. Pangil? Panggil. I think it's Pangil Bridge. It's not Panggil. It's Pangil. It's a, you know, word of Pangil.
Basta sounds like parehas.
Pangil Bridge or Panggil. Comment naman kayo dyan guys. So yung long ride vlog natin guys is always ko i-upload sa YouTube. Tapos sa Facebook natin is ano yon, gaming and then vlog. So mga clips lang. And then I'm live streaming guys, no. Naglalaro ako ng Call of Duty Warzone, Knives Out, minsan Bloodstrike, minsan ML, minsan Honor of Kings, minsan League of Legends, minsan Dota. So I can play any kind of game.
But not love game.
But not love game. Ay! Chill lang tayo dito. Pag hindi ko kasi gusto yung daan guys, ganito lang talaga ride ko eh. Ito yung advantage pag nakamotor, diretso lang. Makahinaan lang. Ay nako, ito na naman, basa na naman. Ano ba yan? Always wet ah. Ayaw kasi ni, wow, ganda ng ano guys, ganda ng view talaga dito. Ito yung daan kung ano, minsan na kami dadaan dito. Kasi sa kabila kasi papuntang Aurora, papuntang Pulacan, lagi na lang kami dumadaan dun.
Change of view.
Wow, ganda oh. You see that? It's a very nice view. Dalawa lang kasi yung papupuntahan mo dito sa Pagadian eh. Either pa right ka or pa left ka. Yun lang, dalawa lang talaga siya. Wow, so nice. Caution, road slip. Of course, road slip talaga. Pag slide ka dyan, matutulog ka talaga. Basa-basang ulan. Ay, basa-basang daan. Eto na naman oh, biglang magiging two-way.
One way, out the way.
Oh, ingat kayo dito guys pag dadaan kayo ha. So, nonood dyan, papuntang Liloy. Sa mga puro pa Facebook lang. Tapos may motor naman, ano na, gamitin nyo naman yung motor nyo, diba? First long ride sa May, isang long ride lang sa May. Oh, ganon yung ano natin. Road trip gamit ang motor, road trip gamit ang sasakyan, beach, mga ligo-ligo dyan, date sa mga jowa nyo, mga kadate nyo pero walang label. Ay, sabi, ilang years na kaya tong van na to? Anong brand nito? Nissan? Nissan ata to eh. Hinahinay sa imong padagan, reduce speed, pahinumdum gikan sa LGU
MDRRM.
Kumalarang. Oh, hinahinay yun, diba? Grabe lang, lami na kay kag banking dre. And then pagka banking nimo, dinaaray wet road yun. Ang masasabi ko lang talaga, lahat ng ano ngayon, brand ng sasakyan eh hindi na tulad ng dati na grabe, bulletproof engine. Ngayon wala na. Siguro dahil sa woohoo! Siguro dahil sa ano, modernization sa mga sasakyan, yung mga electronics, yung mga advancement, like kasi dati yung sasakyan dati grabe, bulletproof eh. What's up guys? We are back again. So linilisan lang natin yung camera natin kasi may sparkling water doon. Baka pumangit yung view natin, no? Power shifting. Tapos yung wire natin. Yan na. Okay. So we are recording. Alright, let's go. Rock and roll. Ay, shout out kay Doggy. You're comfortable there? So para sure na hindi malulobat yung camera natin, nakasaksak na yan habang nagre-record. Araw na rin makintab to motor ko. Time to get dirty. Kasi grabe to guys, grabe ako magpakintab ng motor eh. Well, sa ano lang, sa mga matte blocks kasi naka graphene coating tayo, no need na magpakintab kasi once na cool, water lane. Motor lane. Ito na yung daan.
Shocking.
The road here is very not good. Ganun dapat. Pag mag-overtake ka sa right side,
50.
you let them know na dadaan ka.
Yes.
So hindi sa lahat ng panahon nakatingin yan sa side mirror yung mga riders, ay mga drivers. We are here in Buo guys. And then okay, liko muna bago
Kaya ka, kuya.
Iya ka kuya. Liko muna bago
Tingin.
tingin. Ang pangit ng daan.
Tumigas ba?
Wait lang. Pero nakaganda sa Winner X guys is yung suspension niya made for 2 persons na may backride talaga. Gusto ko guys pag malaki motor, big cc na, hindi lower cc. Ubusin natin yung RPM ng 5th gear.
As in?
Hindi ko pa maubos guys. Hey, double yellow solid light bro, what are you doing my man? Wala, 5th gear, di ko maubos. Maganda pag magta-top speed ka guys, power shifting. Pero hindi ko type yan. Mahal ko yung makina ko. Pwede naman pero wala, ayoko, pass.
Kurot.
Oh, 111. Let's go, 41 kilometers more. Twenty 29 kilometers to go. 26 kilometers to go. Let's go.
Niloy na.
Woo! We are here in Liloy.
Namangga na Lord.
Woo, let's go. Ayun oh, ring a bell.
Good. Kuya na eh. No. Eagles.
Picture. Ay, nahanap namin yung Mons Grill guys. Makawala na yung Mons Grill dre ha.
Ma'am, good morning. Asa na pitang Mons Grill din eh?
Wala na.
Sarado na sila. May laing kananan din eh, ma'am. Naram may kananan na yun.
Dali lang ta.
Dili na lang to, ma'am. Thank you.
Wala na pala Mons Grill dito guys. So dito na lang kami sa Degrees Milk Tea. Yeah. So we're here na mga kaibigan. Kakain muna kami dito. Dito kami kakain sa Baroro Eatery and Snack House. Alright guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Let's go. Oh, feeling ko bagong gawang ano to, daan. Huy.
Dito tayo pinadaanan sa Google.
Guys, huwag kayong dadaan dito guys ha. It's fine, I am an expert. But wag na wag kayong dadaan dyan guys. Grabe. Kaya pala wag kayo dadaan dun men. Grabe, napaka ano tawag dito, deep. It's so deep. It's so deep.
Steep.
I know it's steep. Uy. It's so stiff.
Ito lang. Ito na eh. Wala ta.
Ibisita muna kami dito guys. Wala to guys, maliit lang to itong slope na to. Mas grabe sa kabila. What's up guys, pabalik na kami. Ang ganda ng lugar, ang sarap sana maligo, pero wala akong dalang damit. Pero ang original plano namin guys is babalik dito na nakasasakyan, tapos maraming kasama. Babalik kami dito guys, magsasakyan, tapos let's do a jump on the cliff vlog. Pero baka magano ako, practice muna ako diving. So dadaan kami dito sa Little Siargao, bali loop to. Bali lalabas kami sa bandang Aurora, pero diretso tayo dito guys. So dadaan lang natin to, pero next time pag makasasakyan, anuhin na natin, tawag dyan,
Mambay.
tatambay kami dyan. So ito na yung Little Siargao. So ito, ano, mga nakatambay. So ito lang pala, no, maliit lang pala siya. So pwede kang maligo dyan sa gilid. Alright, so ito lang pala. Sige lang, pag nakasasakyan na, tambay na tayo dito. Bili tayo ng pangdagat na casing sa Insta360.
Oh, yes. Ganito, oh, may picture.
May picture mo to. Kasali sana sa picture.
Dato to ang ito, i-share niyo mo.
Okay. So dito. Alright, kasi may naghihintay sa atin na lulutuin natin na carbonara guys. Imbis kakain kami sa labas sa Mons Grill, rekta uwi na kami para makapagluto ng carbonara. Yan yung specialty ko guys, magluto-luto ng mga ganyan. Yes,
Ang map.
the map is 3D.